Hi there, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my video lessons. This time it's section 4, module 5, grade 7. This is the last lesson of the textbook. But this is particularly a special lesson because it is mainly based on interactive games. So that's why I'm doing this tutorial to lead you through the different activities and let you take the full advantage of them. So let me start with showing you the link to my Genially presentation if you were to go directly and do the tasks. And now let's have a look at the lesson timeline. So as you can see, there are 6 steps, and these are the shortcuts of every step if you were to go directly to one of these steps. So you can just click on the numbers. So in the first place, you're going to learn something new, read, remember, then practice, then watch and practice more, then finally produce. Are you ready to get started? Okay, let's get into it. So let's learn new vocabulary through the following match with the right label activity. So here you have a list of words. I want you to pause the video, take your notebook, and try to match every picture with its correct label. Once you're done, you can check the following slide for correction. All right. The next slide will lead us to a more matching activity, this time done by a learning apps application. So you are expected to match the pictures with their labels. I don't want you to miss the chance to enjoy this funny activity, guys. That's why I would ask you to pause the video and check the following link. Here it is. Copy the link and paste it on your browser and do the activity directly in its source, in Learning Apps. Once you're done, guys, you can go to the next slide for more practice. This is a transition activity in which we're going to bear in mind first the content of the previous slides in order to answer the following question. What souvenirs can Peter buy from Gerva? And here you can scroll down to see the different alternatives. And you are going to click on what you think is the good alternative. For example, Darbuka. Can he buy Darbuka? I think he can. How about traditional carpets? Maybe yes. Gerva is famous for traditional carpets. A Mexican hat? I guess no. A traditional suit, maybe? Why not? Can he buy a camel as a souvenir? I don't think so. A palm tree? I don't think so. Russian dolls? Definitely not. How about pottery? Maybe yes. Let's check. All right, then you are expected to submit all answers. Here we go, all your answers is correct. All right. Let's move to the next step, which is the reading. So here you are expected to read the text that is in the text button. Just click, take your time to read it, pause the video and read it. And then you can move to the questions. There are 3 questions on the menu. Here again, you can stop the video and check the following link it is in order to put it in your browser and do the task directly within its source. So once you're done, you can go to the next slide and read dialogue number 2. Again, dialogue number 2 is here. So just pause the video, read the dialogue carefully. You can read it as many times as you want. And then you are ready now to answer the questions related to it. There are 5 questions over here. Again, I want you to check the following link to copy paste it in your browser and do the activity. Once you're done, you can go to the next slide. So here, a very funny and interesting Kahoot game on the menu. What you have to do is just click on the box over here to write your name or your username or your nickname and start directly going through the challenge. Again, if you want to play it, you can pause the video, check the following link, again, copy paste it on your browser and enjoy playing the function, playing with functions. All right, once you're done, you can go on with the following slide, and this time it is a remember page where you're going to remember some of the rules you have come across during the previous slides. You need to add the infinitive after can, like I can swim, you can run fast, we can speak English. For negatives, you can add apostrophe T or not, like can he drive a car? No, he can't. No, he cannot drive a car. So you can either use the short form or the long form for that. Okay, let's go to more practice doing the following task. So here you're expected to make it right through underlining the mistake and writing the correct word. Here are the sentences. I want you to pause the video, take your notebook, and rewrite the sentences in the correct order after underlining the fault or the mistake in the sentences. Once you're done, you can check your answers. Here we go. Okay, a further practice. The following slides will take us to a further practice of the grammar points we have just dealt with, which is can and can't. Here again, it's actually a video, but it's a very interactive video with questions that you have to answer each time. So the video link is here. All right, here it is. Once again, I want you to pause the video, to copy the link, and paste it in your Google browser and start doing the activity. Once you're done, you can go to another video to practice another grammar point. Here we go. Now this time, this is like a presentation of the grammar points, how much, how many that you're going to practice more during the following slides. Again, it's a video with some grammar difficulties or questions to answer. here. You've got like 13 difficulties. Again, the video link is provided to you over here. Copy paste it as usual, and to do the activity, then go back to the presentation and continue working. Okay, it's time now to complete the rule regarding how many and how much. So here again, I don't want you to miss the chance of enjoying the experience of completing the rule. And I gave you here the link to this activity. Copy paste it again and complete the rule after pausing the video, of course. But if you want to get the answers, let's just do it together right now. Right? We use how many plus what? Supposed to be countable, right? Countable noun to ask about what? To ask about number, all right? We use how much plus uncountable noun, all right? To ask about quantity, and we use how much do or does something cost to ask about the price. Okay, let's check. We're supposed to complete here. This is uncountable, right? Next, of course, you submit all your answers and you will see the score is 100%, of course. Okay, well done, guys. Okay, now this looks like a recapitulation of the grammar points and basically WH questions using how much and how many, doing the following task: match questions with answers. All right, again here I provided you with a link to the task. Yeah, here it is that you have to copy paste as usual and play the game, then go back to the slides. All right. We come to the production part where you are here to, you are expected to write something about what you can do, what you can't do. Now that we are at the end of the school year, why not share with us your experience in learning English? Example. Now I can give advice, speak about events, but I can't answer listening questions, for example. This is another game that I prepared using the website mentimeter.com, where you have to go there and enter the following question in Mentimeter, and then you will see that all the answers, your answer will be showed up here or displayed in the screen. So this is the task link that I prepared in Mentimeter. You just browse it, copy paste it as usual, and submit your answer there. So that's all, folks. We're done. This was a very interactive lesson. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then please, I want you to like it on my YouTube channel. And stay tuned with more upcoming lessons. Until then, stay safe and see you soon.